Hello everyone and welcome to this new video from Free Dreams 106 channel. Today we're going to do a unboxing of this monster of motherboard, and I'm really excited because with the Octopus Pro from Bltouch we can push really hard our printers. So let's move to the desk and let's begin the unboxing. Here we are at the desk for our unboxing with the new super cool t-shirt. Fetus t-shirt, as you can read right there. I really thank Fetus for sending me this t-shirt for their giveaway anniversary. So let's proceed with the unboxing. Let's discover together the content of this box. First of all, as you can see, the box is really cool. Bltouch has gorgeous packaging. Now let's pull this tab and let's see what this box hides. Let's move it there because it's too beautiful to put it away. So what do we have? First of all, the Bltouch business card and the duck, my friends, unfailing in their packages. If you don't know, the duck is the symbol of programmers, because if your code doesn't work, you can explain it to the duck to understand what's wrong. It's a funny and useful exercise to understand some mistakes that you might have made. So let's proceed. Use the USB-C cable that we use to connect the motherboard to the Raspberry. And here it is. Look how beautiful and big. This kind of motherboard tends to be big and gorgeous. Every time I see these motherboards, I get excited because I really love them. Now let's unbox the Octopus. Here we are with our electrician scissor. So let's open it without damaging anything. Here we are. Look how beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. How beautiful is this? And how big. So what do we see? First of all, there are some pre-installed jumpers, but we'll talk about them in a future tutorial because I will create a guide regarding the jumpers, since not everyone knows what they are and how they work. I think that it's appropriate a comparison with the Manta M8P, because this Octopus Pro will substitute the Manta on my custom 3D printer. I presented it to you in a previous video, so let's check out if you missed it, because it's so cool and it's the beginning of a journey that we'll make together to realize a super cool machine. Here we can see that the dimensions are similar. The Octopus is slightly smaller than the Manta because the Manta has a different system from the Octopus. In fact, as you can see, there's a CB1 plugged in. It plugs directly on the motherboard, while the Octopus will be connected to the Raspberry via a USB-C cable. What are the pros and cons? Obviously, we'll need an external Raspberry for the Octopus, so this one may need a little bit more of space. But on the other hand, I had a little trouble with the system of the Manta, because the CB1 hasn't been designed so well and it has some Wi-Fi issues. We all know that. In fact, I've been using this motherboard with this setup since June, and one day 2 weeks ago it decided to stop working. So it's a little bit inconvenient, because you either have another CB1 or you need a CM4, a Raspberry CM4. That is definitely less common than a P2, 3 or 4. Now is coming out also the P5. So I've decided to use this opportunity to change the whole electronics, but don't worry, because we'll reuse this motherboard for another super cool project. I will show you the backside too, because in my opinion those boards are so fascinating to see also on the backside. Now let's put aside the manta and let's focus on the protagonist of this video, the Octopus. As you can see on the backside, it presents a beautiful drawing of the octopus, obviously. So what are the advantages of this motherboard, the Octopus Pro, compared to the other versions? Because it exists also a standard Octopus, and as recently been released the Easy version. I didn't buy the Easy because it's a bit overkill for me, because it can control up to 10 motors. I don't know if you realize what 10 motors are. So I went for the Octopus Pro because it allows us to power the motors up to 60 volts to push our machine hard. Let's increase the speed. The Octopus costs $60 at the moment, while the Octopus Standard is a little bit less expensive. It's a bit pricey, but we're talking about an 8 drivers motherboard, not a 5 drivers motherboard. For example and comparison, the Manta M8P costs $50 without the CB1, only the motherboard. So just to give you an idea. The Pro version costs a little bit less, but between the two I would suggest the Pro version, because if you want, one day you'll be able to power your motors at 60 volts and push hard your printer. So we'll have a lot of fun with it. So I told you everything I had about this motherboard. I hope you enjoyed the video. If that's the case, leave a like down here and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future content. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video.